Hello chicas, Mrs. D here. At first sabi ko ito ng isang sikat at I must say, a must-go-to cafe here in Angeles City, Lala's Garden Cafe. Good for family, barkada, and tropa. Cozy ang place, very well lit. So tinry namin ng kanilang Caesar and Asian veggie salad. Umorder din kami ng varieties ng fresh pastries croissant like in sausage, with cream cheese and ham and cheese. Meron din tinapay na may mangga. Masarap siya. French toast, sinubukan din namin, and also their pasta, like yung tomato pasta marinara and pesto. Instagrammable ang place, kaya mapapapicture ka talaga. Every corner has its own angle and story to tell. Yung iba, nag-take out na din, kaya naghintay pa kami ng konti. So, picture-picture lang muna while waiting. Overall experience namin is 5 out of 5. Medyo pricey, pero when it comes to quality, taste, and appearance, wala kang masasabi at malinis pa. Nakapunta na din ba kayo dito? How is it? Until next time, bye-bye!